For the second exercise of chapter 3, we are going to see a program that computes change. So let's open this program together. So here we have, first of all, an amount that has to be input by the user. So this is a float value. Then this amount is converted in a new variable. Remaining amount is equal to the integer of amount times 100. What this does is that it's going to transform our amount in cents once I multiply by 100. So I have the total number of cents. Now, as you know, every 100 cents is a dollar. So in order to find how many dollars I have, I need in my new variable number of $1 to divide the remaining amount by an integer division by 100. And then remaining amount will now be equal to remaining amount with the percentage 100, meaning the remainder of the division by 100 of this value. So this should be a value of 99 and less. Or of course it can be 0 if it's purely 100. But basically we say it's 99 and less. Then I need to find the number of quarters from these. So I find the number of quarters and then I shall have something with 24 and less. I find the number of dimes and I'm going to have a number with 9 and less. Finally, I find the number of nickels and I'm going to have something here with 4 and less. And this number, which is 4 and less, will be the number of pennies. So here the math is pretty straightforward. That's not complicated to do. Now, the only reason I'm really interested in showing you this particular program is not for the math itself, but rather for the printing options that you have. Here you see we have \n and \t. We are going to see what both of these do in our printing output and why they are important. So we are going to run our program into PyCharm, the compute change. And here we need to input a value. We are going to write, for example, 12.05. So for 12.05, we find that this is $12, 0 quarters, 0 dimes, 1 nickels, 0 pennies. So you see how beautifully all of these are written out. But there's a reason why they are beautifully written out. If in case I remove the \n right here and I run the program once more, you're going to see now that there's a difference in the output. As you can see, the $12 is not anymore on the line. So here the \n is actually ensuring that I go to the line willingly. If I want to go to the line below, I need to use the \n. Now the \t, in case I remove it from my equation right here, let's see what happens. So in case I remove the \t, you see I lose the alignment. I lose the tabulation. It's like the tab, the one that you have on your keyboard. So I lose the alignment that I have. In order to keep things aligned, the \t is what will allow me to have a beautiful actually output in my printing. So that's the reason why I wanted to show you this program. All for these, in order for your print not to have to be on the same line, but it can be as if I had a table. And you see that once I do this table, I can have things that are perfectly in order. Okay? So that's basically the reason why I was interested into showing you this program right here. So we'll see each other now in the next video.